Hello and welcome to Only Facts, No Fiction, a channel where you know about amazing things. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notification about our new videos. So which bird can fly more than 8,000 kilometers without any GPS or compass? The answer is sandhill crane. Typically, they travel around 5,000 kilometers, but some of them do fly more than 8,000 kilometers. Not only that, they can fly long distance, they can fly as high as 28,000 feet, which means they can fly over Mount Everest. These cranes migrate to other places mainly for breeding.